Right now, more than 70% of adults over 60 take at least 2 prescription drugs every day. Yet, world-leading doctors warn the most powerful medicine isn't in a pill bottle. It's in your kitchen, hidden in 4 simple vitamins your body is starving for. Today, we're going to go deep into the 4 vitamins recommended by these leading doctors. By the end, you will understand exactly which foods to eat, how they work in your body, and simple ways to include them in your daily routine. No pills required. The vitamins we'll cover are recommended by 4 of the world's leading experts in nutrition and longevity. Dr. William Li, a physician and researcher known for his groundbreaking work on how food can repair the body. Dr. Neal Barnard, a clinical researcher who has spent decades proving how everyday nutrition fuels the brain and balances hormones. Dr. Michael Greger, the best-selling author of How Not to Die, who uncovers the science behind eating for a longer, healthier life. And Dr. Mark Hyman, one of the strongest voices for food as medicine, showing that true healing starts in the kitchen, not the pharmacy. Here's the challenge. Once you cross 60, your muscles recover more slowly, your skin loses elasticity and collagen, your joints stiffen, and even your sleep can feel broken. Vitamin A, the overnight repair signal. Let's start with one that every senior should know, vitamin A. This is your body's overnight repair signal. If you want your skin and immune system to keep working the way they did decades ago, this is the vitamin to focus on. After 60, your body doesn't renew cells as quickly as it used to. That's why your skin can look thinner, cuts take longer to heal, and your eyes tire out faster. But here's the good news. You don't need expensive creams or supplements. Vitamin A is packed into colorful foods you probably already recognize: carrots, sweet potatoes, spinach, kale. When you eat them, your body converts the vitamin A into retinol. And here's the secret. That's the exact same compound dermatologists put in their pricey creams. But when it comes from food, it works from inside out, nourishing your skin, your immune cells, even the lining of your lungs and gut. Dr. William Li explains it perfectly. He says, beta-carotene from colorful vegetables tells your skin to renew itself and your immune system to fight harder. Imagine that. Every bite of carrots or spinach is literally whispering to your body, repair, rebuild, protect. And here's a simple way to make it practical. Try a baked sweet potato with just a drizzle of olive oil at dinner. That little touch of healthy fat helps your body absorb more vitamin A, turning your evening meal into a gentle repair signal while you sleep. We are on a mission to help more seniors recover strength and independence. Like, subscribe, and share this video so we can reach even more seniors across the world. Vitamin B6, the brain balancer. If you've ever struggled with restless nights or waking up groggy after 60, vitamin B6 might be part of the missing puzzle. This vitamin plays a quiet but powerful role in your nervous system. It helps your body make serotonin and melatonin, 2 hormones that guide mood and sleep. When B6 levels dip too low, you may notice it in small but frustrating ways. Your mood feels off, your memory slips more easily where you toss and turn when you should be resting. But here's the encouraging part. Foods rich in B6 can reset that balance naturally. You'll find it in chickpeas, bananas, salmon, and even a handful of pistachios. These aren't exotic or complicated. They're foods you can bring into your evening routine with ease. Dr. Neal Barnard highlights this exact point. He explains that vitamin B6 from plant foods helps the brain produce serotonin, which in turn becomes melatonin, the sleep hormone. It's like giving your body the raw material to build its own sleeping pill without any of the side effects. So here's a simple way to use it. A small bowl of hummus made from chickpeas, or just 1 ripe banana after dinner, can give your body the B6 boost. It's gentle, natural, and it sets the stage for a calmer, deeper sleep. And here's the bigger bonus. Better sleep tonight means sharper memory and a steadier mood tomorrow. That's why Dr. Barnard calls B6 essential for brain balance. Keep watching, because the next vitamin is one you probably think of for colds and flu. But as Dr. Michael Greger explains, it's also the single most important vitamin for collagen, the protein that keeps your skin and joints strong after 60. Vitamin C, the collagen builder. Everyone knows vitamin C is good for the immune system, but after 60, its real power is collagen. Collagen is what keeps your skin firm, your joints cushioned, and your blood vessels flexible. And here's the truth. After midlife, your collagen production drops every single year. That's why skin starts to sag, wrinkles deepen, and joints feel stiffer. But vitamin C can flip that switch back on. Your body literally cannot make collagen without it. And unlike some nutrients, your body doesn't store vitamin C. You need a fresh supply every day. Where can you get it? Citrus fruits like oranges and grapefruits are obvious choices. But kiwi is one of the most powerful sources, and so are red bell peppers. In fact, a single kiwi before bed can load your body with more vitamin C than an entire orange. Dr. Michael Greger points to this research often. He explains that vitamin C isn't just a cold remedy, it's a collagen booster. Every time you eat it, you're handing your body the building blocks it needs to keep skin tighter and joints moving smoothly. So try this. Slice a kiwi in the evening, or add bell pepper strips to your dinner salad. It's simple, it's fresh, and your body will put that vitamin C to work overnight. Think of it as feeding your skin and joints from the inside. And the results? Firmer skin, better mobility, and an immune system that doesn't back down as easily. Stay with me, because the last vitamin, magnesium, is what Dr. Mark Hyman calls the relaxation mineral. It doesn't just ease tension in your body. It can be the difference between tossing and turning and waking up refreshed. Vitamin magnesium, the relaxation mineral. Dr. Mark Hyman calls magnesium the relaxation mineral, and for good reason. After 60, stress takes a bigger toll on the body. Muscles ache longer, nerves feel jumpier, and sleep doesn't come as easily. That's where magnesium steps in. This mineral is your body's natural calmer. It helps regulate over 300 enzyme systems, but the ones you'll feel most are the ones that relax your muscles, steady your heartbeat, and quiet your nervous system so you can actually rest. Many seniors unknowingly run low on magnesium because modern diets are stripped of it, and the signs show up in ways we tend to dismiss. Night cramps in your legs, headaches, anxiety, constipation, even that restless, can't sit still feeling at night. But here's the good news. Magnesium-rich foods are simple and comforting. Leafy greens like spinach, pumpkin seeds, almonds, black beans, and even dark chocolate are loaded with it. Dr. Hyman explains it this way. Magnesium allows your body's stress switch to finally flip off. Imagine your muscles unclenching, your mind slowing down, and your heart easing into a steady rhythm. That's the power of one mineral doing its job. Want a simple nightly routine? Try a small handful of almonds or a square of dark chocolate after dinner. Not only does it satisfy a craving, but it gently feeds your body magnesium before bed, giving your muscles and mind permission to relax. Recap: your night shift repair crew. So let's bring this home. After 60, your body isn't done repairing itself. It just needs the right fuel to keep working for you. Vitamin A, your overnight repair signal for skin, eyes, and immunity. Vitamin B6, the brain balancer that builds serotonin and melatonin for mood and sleep. Vitamin C, the collagen builder that keeps your skin firm, your joints flexible, and your defenses strong. Magnesium, the relaxation mineral that eases stress, muscle tension, and sleep problems. Together, these 4 vitamins act like a night shift crew, repairing, rebuilding, and renewing your body while you sleep. Not from pills, not from expensive treatments, but straight from the foods you already know and love. So here's the truth. Aging doesn't mean decline. It means being smarter about what you put on your plate. The next time you prepare dinner, think of it as more than a meal. Think of it as a prescription for strength, skin, memory, and sleep. And remember, this is what the top doctors in the world are proving again and again. Food is medicine, and your body is still listening. If you found this helpful, don't just keep it to yourself. Hit that subscribe button and join the No Pill Zone community, where we share natural, pill-free ways to age stronger, live longer, and feel better every single day.